Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and optimize Streamlabs for low-end PCs. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So without any further ado, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I wouldn't recommend you to go ahead and use Streamlabs OBS in order to go ahead and stream from my low-end PC, because OBS Studio, the normal one, is gonna go ahead and consume a lot less resources to give a way better experience. However, even if you have not been convinced by OBS Studio or don't like how it works and still like the usability and easiness of Streamlabs OBS, then you're in for a ride, because I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how you can fix it. So first things first, I want you to go ahead and avoid everything that is complicated, like these kind of graphics. As you can see, this is something that's gonna go ahead and make your stream lag a lot. You want to go ahead and go with minimal design, something like this for your stream. As you can see, it's just a light webcam. It could be a gameplay on the back, and then just a little subscribe popping up every couple seconds. So this is something better than this, or even something like this, which is very, very complicated. So the second thing, let's get into the settings. So avoid multi-streaming. Obviously, I don't have to mention that. Go ahead and stream on only one platform at a time on output on stream. So for your encoder, never use a software, just go ahead and use hardware and NVENC H.264 if your PC has that. When it comes to bitrate, go ahead and go as low as you can. 3000 to 4500 should be pretty watchable, and it's not going to be very bad. For the preset right over here, you can simply go ahead and go to slow, good quality, right? Or even you can go to medium quality right over here. And when it comes to your video, just click on that. Make sure that you are streaming on 1280 by 720, or even if your PC can handle it, you can then go to 1920 by 1080. You could be streaming at 30 frames per second. It's not going to be that good, but it's still going to be watchable, and people will still enjoy your streaming experience. So that is about it when it comes to using your PC properly in order to go ahead and stream. Mostly it's about the bitrate, and it's also about the encoder that people are using. So when you go ahead and mistakenly use your software, your graphics card is going to be used for games as well as streaming, and it's going to be a big problem for you. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.